Good morning, class 7th. I hope all of you are very well at your home. Today we are going to start new topic. The name of this topic is properties of multiplication of integer. Okay. All of you know what is an integer. Integer, the collection of all negative and positive numbers. Okay, it means you can represent it integer by capital Z, and it is the collection of all negative and positive number. Okay, now the first property regarding integer is closure property. Closure property. As I told you in previous classes for addition and subtraction, if you will add any two integer, the result is also an integer. Similarly, in multiplication also, if you will multiply any two integer, the product is an integer. Okay. The product of any two integers is also an integer. आई होप कि आप लोगों को बात समझ में आ रही होगी। अगर दो इंटीजर्स का आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, जैसे -2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5, देन रिजल्ट इज -10. So -10 is negative number, 5 is positive number, and -2 is also negative number. And as we know about the integer, the group of all negative and positive numbers are integer. So therefore, what do we mean by closure property? Closure property for multiplication is the product of any two integers is also an integer. I hope you understood. Now come for the next property. Next property is commutative property. What do you mean by commutative property? All of you are familiar with the name commutative. Okay. During the multiplication of any two integers, we can change the order of that integers, but the result or the product remain same. During the multiplication of any two integers, we can change the order of an integers, but the product remains same. For example, if you will multiply 2 and 3, you will get 6. Suppose if you will change the order of this number like 3 into 2, then your answer is also same, 6. It means if you will multiply a multiply by b, a and b are two any integer, so you can change the order and you can also write like this, b into a. So this is called commutative property of multiplication. Okay, I hope all of you understood. अगर आपको ये बात समझ में आई है तो आप जो है कि कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी को डिफाइन कीजिए, कमेंट बॉक्स में उसका डेफिनेशन लिखिए और मुझे बताइए। Now the next property is associative. Associative property. I hope all of you know about associative property regarding addition and subtraction. In addition, associative property hold. Now come to the topic multiplication. When we are going to multiply any three numbers together, for example 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 4, or 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 4, then we can make the group either last two or first two. Okay, but the product remains same. You can see here, according to BODMAS rule, we need to solve bracket first. So 3 4 ja 12, and here 3 2 ja 6 into 4. Then you can see 12 2 ja 24 and 6 4 ja 24. The answer of both sides are same. So what do you mean by associative property? During the multiplication of any three integers, you can make either last two, you can make the group of either last two or first two numbers, and then if you will calculate these numbers, the product remain same. I hope all of you understood and you got my point. Okay, so I want the definition of associative property regarding multiplication. So please all of you write in comment box the definition of associative property. Okay, how will you write? I am again explaining to you. During the multiplication of any three integers, we can make the group either last two or first two numbers, and then we can calculate both the sides. We can see the product remains same. Okay, now come to the next point, that is multiplication by 0. Okay, multiplication by 0. All of you know what do you mean by multiplication by 0? If you will multiply any number with 0, then result becomes 0. Okay, this is the property of multiplication by 0. Whenever you are going to multiply any number with 0, the result is also become 0. Okay, and what is multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity. बच्चों, ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है, ऐसा कौन सा इंटीजर है जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करने पर किसी भी नंबर में सेम रिजल्ट रहता है, यानी उस नंबर में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं आता है? अगर आपको आंसर मालूम है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में आंसर लिखकर बताएं. ओके, व्हाट इज मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी? सो डेफिनेटली योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. 1 is multiplicative identity, because if you will multiply any number with 1, then the result remains same that number. For example 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपने देखा 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हम लोगों का रिजल्ट क्या था? 2 सेम था. ऐसे 3 into 1 3, 4 into 1 4, 5 into 1 5. So what do you mean by multiplicative identity? If we will multiply any number with 1, the number remains same. Okay, so this is called multiplicative identity. Now the very important and last property regarding multiplication, that is distributive property. I think I taught these properties in one batch because there are 2 batches of 7th E were running. तो एक बैच में मैंने पढ़ा दिया है, शायद एक बैच में ये चीज़ बाकी थी, इसलिए मैं इन सारे टॉपिक्स को अगेन रिवाइज करा रहा हूँ आपको और एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो distributive property. Actual, do you know what are the uses of this property? To make the calculation easy. Okay, यानी जो हम कैलकुलेशन करते हैं उसको आसान बनाने के लिए हम लोग इन प्रॉपर्टीज़ का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मैं उदाहरण देकर आपको समझाता हूँ. मान लीजिए कि मैंने मल्टीप्लाई करना है 25 इंटू 104. You are going to multiply 25 into 104. Definitely you can multiply easily by previous method, like if you can write 104 then 25 then multiply 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, then अभी आपने ऐड करना है, then रिजल्ट आपने पा लेना. लेकिन क्या कुछ और मेथड है जिसके थ्रू हम इस कैलकुलेशन को और ज़्यादा सिंप्लीफाइड कर सकें? तो डेफिनेटली वी हैव सम प्रॉपर्टीज़. नाउ हियर वी कैन यूज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी टू मेक द कैलकुलेशन ईजी. लुक हियर, यू कैन राइट 25 इंटू, you can split 100 into 2 integers. One is 100, another is 4. Okay, you can write 104 like 100 plus 4. Now here you can see the distributive property can be applied by us. Why? Because multiplication over addition. So you will multiply 25 by 100 as well as by 4. So 25 into 100, 2500 plus 25 4 ja 100, and you can see your result is 2600 or 2600. So this type of things will become easy by the help of properties. Okay, so now we are going to see the distributive property. Distributive property is nothing but multiplication over addition. मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन. इट मीन्स इस फंक्शन में या इस जो है कि प्रॉपर्टी में एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन दोनों एक साथ होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ए मल्टीप्लाई बाई बी प्लस सी. अगर कोई भी पैटर्न इस पैटर्न पर को फॉलो करता है तो आप क्या करेंगे, ब्रैकेट के बाहर जो भी वैल्यू होगा उस वैल्यू से ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने भी वैल्यूज हैं, जितने भी टर्म्स हैं, उन सभी टर्म्स में आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. लाइक ए मल्टीप्लाई बाई बी प्लस सी, यानी मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन इज इक्वल टू ए मल्टीप्लाई बाई बी प्लस ए मल्टीप्लाई बाई सी. यानी इस ए का दोनों टर्म्स में आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 12, ओके, या 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 plus 2. So now 5 into 10 plus 5 into 2, 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Okay, so you can solve like this. I hope all the properties become clear to you. Okay, now we are going to do some questions of exercise. So let's start. I hope all of you have opened your book. मैं भी खोल लेता हूँ बुक को मोबाइल में. ओके, एक्सरसाइज 1.3 बच्चों, एक्सरसाइज 1.3. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. The first part is A. So 3 multiply by -1. Find each of the following product. So अभी आपको क्या पता करना है, प्रोडक्ट पता करना है. As you know, here the sign is negative and one integer is positive. Listen carefully because I taught you in previous lectures or previous classes. If you will multiply like sign, listen carefully, like means एक जैसा, same. So the product of like sign always give us plus, okay, and the product of like minus minus is also plus and plus plus is an also plus. If you will multiply unlike sign, then for example minus multiply by plus, it always give us minus, like plus into minus, it is also equal to minus. So same things will happen because during the calculation you can only calculate two numbers in one time, okay. Thereafter you will calculate another number, then another number, etc. So here you can see the sign of 3 or the operator of 3 is plus and the operator of 1 is minus. So here the product, both of the operators are unlike, the operator of both the numbers are unlike, so therefore the result is negative, so minus 3, okay. B minus 1 into 225, same thing will happen here, minus plus minus because both are unlike, and 225 1 are 225, okay. Like C minus 21 multiply by minus 30. In this portion you will try to do and write the correct answer in comment box बच्चों. I hope you can do easily. First of all, you should see the sign of both the number. Both the number having the same sign, it means like sign, okay. So minus into minus become plus, and 21 3 ja 63, so the result is 630, okay. Try to do rest part of same question of question 1 and write the correct answer in comment box, and you can also send the solution on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given in description box. तो आप देख सकते हैं, आप चाहें तो कॉपी पे सॉल्व करके क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को उसका स्नैपशॉट लीजिए और उस स्नैपशॉट को मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप भेज सकते हैं, ठीक है, ओके। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और लाइक करना ना भूलें, और आई होप कि आज की वीडियो में आपने काफ़ी एंजॉय किया होगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.